like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is the second video for you guys. It's the Fab Fit Fun box. It's the Fab Fit Fun box. It's a Fab Fit Fun box. Alright guys, I have the Fab Fit, the fall box for Fab Fit Fun. And I just want to share it with y'all guys right quick. It's the second video. This is the box. You see it got the fall, got all the fall looks. You know how the box look and everything. Came with the, let me move my stuff out the way. Let me put this box on the floor and get all this stuff out. I should have had everything out, but I didn't. I forgot about this right here. I'm trying to do this video and try to film, trying to do a TikTok thing too. So it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Alright. And then they got all the little string things inside. So they got it well packed. So let's get to it. So what they had in here, of course y'all know a Fab Fit Fun box. This is like a seasonal box. You get it annually. I got it annually, and you can, matter of fact, you can add more in your box if you want to, or you just don't have to do it at all. And I don't add extra sometimes. I just keep the box. I just want to see what they have. They have pretty good stuff so far. What I've seen, so, you know, whatever. I'm trying to debate whether I want to keep it in or go to another box or whatever. So I'm trying to debate. So y'all guys, you know, give me some feedback and let me know what you think. What you think should I do? Okay. Yeah, and I'll put the link for Fab Fit Fun in the my description box. And look y'all, this is not a I ain't get paid for this. This came from my own money. So I just want to come on here and just share y'all. This is what came in here. Of course, they always put a Hello Fresh in there. It has, what is this, 16 free meals right here. And then you got, of course, they use this as well, Bright Sellers. You always have that. It's a wine subscription where you can pick your wines for you. They send you 6 wines or whatever, and you can pick which one you want. They give you a what is it? You go in and you choose stuff that you might like in a wine, sweet, you know, whatever. So yeah, this is what they gave me. It's a $60 credit for that, which I don't drink wine like that, so ain't no use. And then what else they came in here? And then they gave you $15 off if I get this to a friend. So I don't have anybody that's interested in the box, so I'll see. But if you get the box, you can pass it on to your friends or family members that want to get the Fab Fit Fun box. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the products, and let me get to what the products are, because they give you a pamphlet with the magazine with the products in it. Okay. And let's see here. Let me get to it, y'all guys. Let me see. Where is it? Hey guys. Okay, we got this. Yo, I think they got them all spread. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I think I found it in the back. Well, I don't see it in the books. They got it all scattered out, so I'm just going to tell you what I got right here, okay? This right here is, okay, first I'm going to start off with this. It is the Pink Diamond Instant Lift Serum. And it's, what is this? Rodale. And it's right here. See right here, y'all? And I haven't opened anything yet. I just want to show y'all guys, and I'll let y'all know how these products are working. So far with the products that I did get, like serums and stuff out here, they're pretty good. Hey guys, actually that serum worked very well. I've been using it for the last week or two, and it has been working. I mean, I really love it. So yes, I might repurchase it, but not for no $135. No. with uplifting strokes. For the best results, use twice daily before you moisturize. So I'm gonna try this out, guys. It's a lifting serum. Everybody need a lift, right? Alright, let's see what I'm gonna use next. Okay, let me see. Hey guys, this is a renewing body cleanser. And it renews plus hydrate. So this is what it is. I'll let y'all know about this stuff. And it's hey guys, it's a cleanse. It cleans your skin with the luxurious form of shower gel to maintain the skin natural moistures and levels. And it's made in Greece. So I couldn't find it on the bottle. Of course, it was in the magazine, but couldn't find it in the magazine. So guys, I'm just moving right along. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to take it out the package. There's the curler. Never have enough curlers, right? This is nice. Hey guys, I did not know this right here was a bundle. It's got the, let's see, it's called Babe Lash Zoala Dr. Rogers Restore Bundle, and it's $59.99. So you get the eyelash curler, you get the combs, what I'm getting ready to talk about, but I did not get the I guess the chapstick. So okay guys, I'm going on with the video. Here. These names, man, they're killing me. These combs are environmental friendly, perfect for it's combs. Okay. You never have enough of those combs. Rat tail comb. Then you got here, wide tooth comb. And they said these combs are environmentally friendly, perfect for all types of hair, from curly to straight. The set includes both a large tooth comb, a small tooth comb with a soft round teeth, making it easier to detangle hair and prevent breakage. Okay. Never have enough combs, right? Alright, what's next? Okay, let's try this. Oh, this right here is a collapse cup with 4 reusable straws. Oh, yeah, I love cups. Let me see. Girl, excuse my nails too, y'all, because I'm doing my nails over. I have to take them off. Look, guys, look. Look. Oh my God. And you take it and you push it out. There we go. There we go. And then how do you put this on? Girl, why you there? Okay, we'll take the straws out. There's the straws, y'all. I love these. Look, I'm more excited about the cup. Let's see if we can put the top on. I wonder where this piece goes. Okay. Oh, it'll probably go like that. And y'all, that's so cute. And you put your straw and you can push that back like this. And then you put your straw in. Look, y'all. Oh my God. Listen, I like that cup. And then we have here, after dinner, food, drinks, and oh, I think this is like a card game. Like you ask the questions like, which state is the #1 dairy product in the USA? And they say, and it's right here, and it says, you got cards where you know, read the questions. They got, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's neat. So, how the game? I mean, you just sit there and answer the questions? That's it? I guess so. Okay. Which state is the #1 dairy product? And it says California is generating around 1/5 of of all the U.S. milk. Wow, didn't know that. Okay, that's something nice to have, like a little friendly game after dinner. When you have company over or play with your significant other. What's this? Oh, that's the cup. Okay, and then the last button, girl, y'all look. They sent a blanket. Of course I love blankets. There we go. I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see through the plastic, right? It's thick. Oh, this is a good quality. Oh yes. And they put that little refresher thing in there. This is a good quality, y'all. Let me. I can't say the word. Let me. It says ARHAUS was found in 1986 with a passion of proving to provide unique, high quality, well designed home furnishing. And they got a website you can go to. This is the company, if y'all can see it. And they are right. This is good quality. Oh my God. This is very good quality. And the blanket, oh my God. Oh Jesus, this is a long blanket. Look at that. Y'all, it's very good quality. Very good quality. And they got the instructions how you wash it. It's 100% cotton. It's a machine wash with light color, gentle cycle. Do not bleach. Tumble dry, light steam iron, and dry clean. Yeah. So, oh yes. Ooh. So this is what I got in my Fab Fit Fun box, y'all. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Do you think I should move on to another box and try another box, you know, another company? Or do you think I should stay with Fab Fit Fun and see what else that it can bring? Okay? So let me know in the comment section. I like the box. There's nothing wrong with it. I got good quality stuff. And my favorite is the cup. Let's see what else. I like the blanket. And of course I like the serum. I'm kind of cautious about this renewing body cleanser. I have to check that. I'll let y'all know about that. And I like the food and drink thing too. I like that too. But everything was pretty much okay. So guys, that was it. And that was my Fab Fit Fun box. And I hope y'all enjoyed that for the, you know, the review on it. And guys, I love y'all. And I see y'all in another video. And remember, when there's an event, I got some content. I see y'all in another video. Love you guys. I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.